you spoke about your physical transformation, but how difficult was it mentally to prepare for this character? Did you meet him in person, and what was the preparation actually did you went through mentally for this character?
So this is an interesting anecdote that I've shared with media and friends all over. That at the way, so Mr. Najib was always accessible. He was there, and he's a good friend of Benjamin, the writers, and Mr. Blessy sir also knows him quite well. I could have met him, spoken to him at any point in time. But we made a conscious decision very beginning, Blessy sir and me, that I will not meet him. Because my endeavor as an actor, I believe, is to recreate the Najib in the script that Blessy sir has written. Not to meet the real Najib and try and create an imitation of the person. So my performance is largely and in fact solely based on what is written on the script. Plus whatever information I wanted in terms of what must that person have felt, what would he have gone through, what were the circumstances that led into each situation. All that is very detailed in the book. The book is quite detailed. It's a 43 chapter long book in Malayalam. And I also had access to Benjamin, the author, who had spent months with Najib before writing the book. So there really wasn't any information that wasn't available to me. So we thought it would be a very interesting exercise to do the film. And the first time I spoke to Mr. Najib is on the last day of shoot, after finishing the last shot of the film. After doing the last shot of the film, I went behind the camera, and for the first time I spoke to Najib at length. And a large bit of that conversation we have recorded, we have shot, and between Najib and me. And I think we'll release it sometime.
Prithvi sir, Lokesh for News First.
Hello, Mike.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಾವೆಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈಗ 250 ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇರಳ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಈ ಕತೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾಟಿಕ್ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಯ ಕಾಡಲಿಲ್ವ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ?
ನೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್, ಐ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಈಗ ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 292, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ.